Hi, I'm Steph Evans of Evotech, who are partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at displaying and controlling the element coordinate systems.
Okay, so we've now got the capability in Apex to manipulate shell element orientations. So here we've got a rib model made up of shells and beam elements, and we can view the coordinate frame display local to each element. We might wish to change this orientation based on output requests and post-processing. So we can now just simply highlight the shell elements of interest and then specify a vector, and then the local x-axis will be updated based on that vector.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.